Thinking about changing your LLC's name? While a quick alternative is to run a DBA, if you're aiming for a fresh legal identity, the process involves more steps. Here's a straightforward look at how it works. First, you'll need to file a form known as an amendment with your state department. The exact name of the form can vary. Some states call it Articles of Amendment. Others might have different titles, but it's essentially your official request to alter your company's legal name. Always check your state's specific requirements. For instance, in Michigan, the filing goes to the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, while in Pennsylvania, it's handled by the Bureau of Corporations. In Wyoming, there's a streamlined name change form that simplifies the process, avoiding the need for a full amendment. Once your amendment gets approved, some additional steps are necessary. Update your EIN info with the IRS using Form 1635. Inform your state tax department and amend internal documents like your operating agreement if you're an LLC or bylaws if you're incorporated. You might find free templates online, but for precision and to ensure compliance, professional services can help handle these filings. Remember, changing a name isn't just about paperwork. It has legal implications. Careful research or advice from legal experts can save you headaches down the line. Timing matters. Consider how a change might affect ongoing contracts, partnerships, or marketing efforts. Planning ahead ensures a smooth transition without disrupting your business. Let's look at an example from Michigan to give a sense of what you'll encounter. The amendment form asks for your current business name, address, and your company's ID number, easily found via your online filing portal. Then you specify the new name you want to adopt, making sure to include LLC or Inc. as applicable, and indicate whether the change was approved unanimously or by a majority vote. Sign and date the form, fill in the preparer's name, and pay the applicable fee, typically between $25 and more, depending on your jurisdiction and desired processing speed. Filing can be online or by mail. Expedited options are often available for faster turnaround. Processing times vary, but generally take about a week, though paying extra can speed that up. Once your name is officially changed, remember to update your IRS records, business bank accounts, licensing, and insurance documents. Updating your brand and online presence is the final step to reflect your new identity. If you find this process overwhelming or confusing, professional assistance from Filing Fox can simplify everything, guiding you through each step efficiently. For any questions, reaching out at info@filingfox.com can get you expert support. Changing your business name isn't just a formality. It's a strategic move that can boost your company's visibility and credibility. Approach it carefully with proper planning, and your business will be set for the next chapter.